Test day can feel overwhelming, but once you know what to expect, the pressure drops immediately. Hey there, it's Ed here, and welcome back to Ray Driving Theory channel. Welcome to our driving lesson series. Today, we are going to look into why mock tests are important and everything that happens on the test day. So by the time your real test comes, nothing feels new or scary. If you are preparing for your theory or practical test, the Ray Driving Theory app can support your entire journey. The link is in the description. What happens before the test even begins? You need to bring the right documentation. So make sure you have your provisional license with you. If you are using your own car for the test, your car must be road legal, clean, and safe to drive. No warning lights on the dashboard. You will need to have an extra rear view mirror for the examiner. Make sure you are not late and don't arrive too early. Generally 7 to 10 minutes before the test is the best practice. We don't want to get the test center car park too busy, as someone could be finishing their test. And make sure you reverse into the bay. Then you will go into the test center waiting room, sit down, and examiners will come out and call your name. Have your license ready. They will ask to see your driving license. They will check your name and details, and they will ask which email address you want your results to be sent to. As well, they're gonna ask you to sign residency and insurance declaration. Make sure your signature is the same as on your provisional license. They will also ask if you want your instructor to come with you on the test. So basically your instructor will be sitting behind you. It's your choice, no pressure here. And they will ask, do you want your instructor at the end of the test for the results? This part is not a test. And remember, it's your choice. There is no pressure. Next, the examiner will ask you to lead the way to the car. They will ask, how would you like me to call you today? The test starts with an eyesight check. You will be asked to read a number plate from a 20-meter distance. If you can't read it correctly, the test will not go ahead. So if you wear glasses or contact lenses, make sure you have them with you. They will then explain the test briefly. They will usually say something like, the test will include independent driving, different types of roads, and one maneuver, and possibly an emergency stop. These are the same things you have practiced with your instructor or you have seen on our driving lesson series. Then you will be asked the vehicle safety questions. One tell me question at the start of the test and one show me question during your drive. By the way, the Ray app offers a pass guarantee. Complete the program, reach 80% of readiness, take your theory test, and if you fail, you get your money back. If you are learning to drive in the UK, hit that subscribe button. We've got new lessons and tips every week. Now comes the main part, the drive. The driving test includes independent driving for about 20 to 35 minutes. You may be asked to follow sat-nav, road signs, or mix of both. When you finish your sat-nav or road signs, examiner is going to give you directions where to go. The examiner sets the sat-nav up for you. You cannot use your own. If you go the wrong way, but you do it safely, it's absolutely fine. Don't worry about it and don't make yourself nervous. Just keep driving and focus on the next task. Safety matters more than perfection. You will also be asked to complete one maneuver and you may be asked to do an emergency stop. Again, all things you have practiced before on your lessons. At the end of the test, you will return back to the test center. If you haven't done a reverse maneuver yet, you will be doing it in the test center car park. That's why we don't arrive too early to the test center, so we don't make it difficult for others. The examiner will explain the results. If you pass, they will tell you what happens next. And I hope it will be a pass for you. Fingers crossed. If you didn't pass, they will explain what to work on. Either way, it is a feedback you can use and you can reflect on. Chin up, don't worry, you will do it next time. I believe in you. Why mock tests are so important? Mock tests helps you practice driving without constant help, making your own decisions and handling pressure calmly. When you do a mock test with your instructor, they can see patterns, they can spot habits, and they can tell you honestly what skills you need to work on. Mock tests are not about passing or failing. They are about learning how the test feels and how you deal with things under pressure. After a mock test, do not focus only on mistakes. Ask yourself, what went well? What felt uncomfortable? Was it timing, observations, or confidence? Work on skills, not the whole drive. For example, if junctions felt rushed, practice junctions. If roundabouts felt stressful, practice roundabouts. This is the way you will build your confidence and you will prepare for your driving test. Let us finish with this. A mock test is not just about driving, it prepares you for the test day. When you know the routines, your nerves settle and your confidence comes up. Keep practicing, stay consistent, and trust the skills you have already built. And remember, the Race Driving Theory app can support you all the way from practice to the test day. The link is in the description. Thanks for watching the Race Driving Theory channel, and good luck on your test. Let me know in the comments, how did it go? See ya.